Hey guys, today I'm going to show you. No, I didn't want mac and cheese and fruit. Guys, today I'm going to be showing y'all my fidget toys that I brought with me in my little mini bag. We're actually not unpacked. My parents are going to show me to it, but we're going to go Hobby Lobby's house probably afterwards. And hopefully we'll find some fidget toys there. So the first one I brought is, I brought one of my new favorites.
What two sides?
I forgot how to do this. It's basically, it's like a Rubik's Cube, but I'm gonna try lining it up like, it's just basically like a little fidget spinner, but it's actually called the classic fidget ball. I got this at Walmart. If you don't remember, I don't know if you saw the vlog or anything, but I got that. I brought that.
You do like fries, green
I don't know if you
beans, cinnamon
remember.
apples.
I think you should go check the video out. Shopping
Mashed
at
potatoes.
buying AirPods at Big Lots.
Corn.
And then the parentheses found these squishies. Go look at that video. Subscribe to my channel. I got this ice cream. Galaxy.
It comes with 2 pieces of
brought
fish
this
and then the
one.
fries, hush puppies, and then the 2 sides. Okay, that's fine.
Oh, yeah. Let's do that. And then let's stretch it out. Oh, it has a little bit of drink in it. So I'm going to like that.
They probably want one for Cameron. Cameron, you got fried tomatoes?
Guys, tomorrow's my last day of school, and a lot sooner I will be vlogging fun vlogs. Tomorrow's my last day of school. I'm going to do a vlog after school. Promise. Got another squishy.
It's a little team.
Got this one that I can build.
Can't put.
This is fun to build.
It's a little spicy.
Not really slow rising. Yeah, if you smell it, it ain't really slow rising at all. We got the sand slime, a blue slime.
That Melba's brother, baby brother, Larry, or Chris. Larry's tall, but that other one,
I brought a little top.
is.
It's married to old Tammy.
Tammy who?
Her name is Armitage. She's the clinic manager for all Norling clinics. Her mama, I knew her when she was about this tall. Her
Well,
and
he
her
said
brother.
it. He said it. Well, I was a nurses of directors at Norling.
She's rich.
Oh, this is awesome for a while.
Her
That's
mama
big.
was.
I brought a little hourglass.
Her mom
Fidget. I know that's like counts as a little fidget toy though. That's not. I brought this little finger puppet.
Rosalinda.
I don't know, this for surely counts as a fidget toy because you do a little fidget with little arms and everything.
His wife is a Spanish girl?
Yeah. And they've been dating since she was just a teenager. Her mom was very abusive to her.
Mochi squishies.
Very abusive.
Then I brought my
Brother,
my
he was a
well-known
separate cutie.
little thingy for Jiggy
And
Kabobber.
she beat the tar out of him.
The next time I see Braylee, I am going to do a video with her.
There's not a meeting that goes
I can't
by
see
that
her
she's
this
at
week or
that
next
she
week, not
doesn't
till like
tell
Wednesday or
how
something.
rough of a life she's
And besides,
had.
I'll be out for time I'm home every single day.
She said she'll tell you it's her favorite saying. She's got a saying that she says all the time that she's.
Guys, I hope you like today's video.
And her mother was Rosalinda. She was Hispanic. Her
The
mother.
video for right now. Subscribe, bye, and let me know in the comments below if you're gonna get a thunderstorm tonight. Let me know, and send a video of a thunderstorm if you have one. So. And comment below and like if you like my AirPods, not actual Apple AirPods, but and then so turn on all post notifications, subscribe, hit the like button, and comment
Kind of parted, but it was long hair.
on my channel. So yeah.
She didn't have good skin.